What if your home could feel beautiful for decades, not just for a season? Classic vintage interiors create that lasting feeling through warm colors, graceful furniture, and meaningful details. The result is a home that feels elegant, comfortable, and naturally timeless. The secret to a timeless vintage home often begins with color. Soft cream, warm beige, muted green, dusty blue, and gentle brown create a welcoming foundation. These shades feel calm and sophisticated, allowing vintage furniture and decorative accents to stand beautifully together. Vintage-inspired furniture brings personality that modern pieces sometimes lack. Look for curved silhouettes, wooden finishes, carved details, and gently aged textures. Each piece can become part of the room's story, creating an interior that feels collected rather than simply decorated. Few materials create warmth like natural wood. From antique cabinets to classic dining tables, wooden furniture adds depth and character to vintage interiors. Choose pieces with visible grain and subtle imperfections, because those details make the space feel authentic, welcoming, and lived in. Textiles can instantly transform a room. Think linen curtains, floral cushions, woven throws, and softly patterned rugs. Layering these materials creates comfort without losing elegance, giving your home that cozy vintage atmosphere where every corner feels inviting and thoughtfully designed. Lighting can completely change the mood of a vintage interior. Choose brass lamps, glass pendants, classic chandeliers, or warm table lamps to create a gentle glow. Soft lighting highlights furniture, artwork, and textures while making the entire room feel more intimate and romantic. Timeless decorating is not about filling every empty surface. Instead, choose accessories that tell a story, such as antique books, ceramic vases, framed artwork, or decorative clocks. A few meaningful pieces can create far more charm than a room crowded with unnecessary decorations. Floral patterns are a beautiful way to capture the romance of classic vintage homes. Use them through wallpaper, upholstery, curtains, or small accent pillows. When balanced with solid neutral tones, floral details add softness and personality without making the room feel overly traditional. A vintage-inspired kitchen can combine old-world charm with modern comfort. Consider shaker-style cabinets, farmhouse sinks, wooden counters, glass front storage, and classic hardware. These elements create a welcoming kitchen that feels nostalgic while remaining practical for everyday life. A timeless living room should feel comfortable rather than overly perfect. Combine a classic sofa with wooden tables, vintage artwork, patterned cushions, and layered rugs. Mixing textures and eras creates a collected appearance that feels personal, relaxed, and naturally sophisticated. Art can give a vintage interior its soul. Botanical prints, landscapes, portraits, antique-style frames, and traditional paintings can bring personality to blank walls. Instead of choosing art simply to match your furniture, select pieces that create emotion and make the room feel uniquely yours. Timeless design does not mean living like it is another century. Mix vintage furniture with comfortable seating, modern appliances, functional storage, and contemporary conveniences. This balance allows classic beauty to remain practical, proving that old-world style can work beautifully in today's home. The beauty of vintage design often comes from imperfection. Faded finishes, aged wood, worn brass, and subtle patina give objects a sense of history. Rather than hiding every sign of age, embrace these details because they create warmth, authenticity, and a home with genuine character. Ultimately, timeless design is about more than following a decorating style. It is about surrounding yourself with pieces you truly love. Combine vintage inspiration with your own colors, memories, textures, and treasures, creating a home that feels personal today and beautiful for years to come.